case 2, here there is a overlapping between two curves. Here there is overlapping between two curves. So here there is overlapping between two curves. So there is there is a possibility of getting type 1 and type 2 error. Okay, now here we are getting type 1 and type 2 error. Type 1 error is false, there false positive and false negative cases. Okay, now if you are having any overlappings, then machine is predicting wrong. Our model, not machine, our model is predicting if it is a beginning state, it is predicting as a ending state, if it is and vice versa. So in that case, the ROC curve will be like this. So the ideal case, the reverse L shape is our ROC curve. But now see some here there is some deviation from the ideal case. Okay, now here AUC is 0.7. That means 70% chance of the model will be distinguished between positive and negative cases. Okay, if AUC is 0.7, here we are getting AOC curve like this. Okay, now let us take third case. See here there is exactly overlapping between positive cases and negative cases. See here true positive and true negative. See here there is the green distribution and red distribution. Here the curves are overlapped. If the curves are overlapped, this is a situation, this is called worst situation, where you can see the ideal curve of ROC is, it is reverse L shape, but here we are getting AUC as 0.5, right? In the sense that only in the 100 samples, only 50 cases are predicted correctly, and remaining 50 cases are not predicting correctly. So then in that situation, the ROC curve will be like this. It is a straight line that is passing through the origin. Okay, na? See, when AUC is approximately 0.5, model has no discrimination capacity to distinguish between positive cases and negative cases. That is the reason why the model is predicting wrongly. In that scenario, the ROC curve will exactly pass through the origin. If it is greater than 0.5, that is slightly towards the ideal solution. What exactly ideal graph for ROC? Ideal graph is L shape. If it is in between 0.5 and 1, it is not exactly L shape, but it is slightly away from, it is deviating from L shape. Okay, na? Let us take fourth scenario. This is a scenario where AUC is 0 because all the cases is predicting false. This is also one type of ideal case only. This might not happen, because if it is if a patient is having disease, the model is predicting it's not as a disease. If a patient is not having disease, it is also not predicting. It is predicting as if patient is having, it is predicting not. If patient is not having, it is predicting yes. So here there is swapping between true positives and false negatives. See here the curve is changed. That is the reason why here AUC becomes 0. In this AUC, when AUC is becoming 0, then see here the curve of ROC is, it is left L. So you can see here ROC is like this. ROC curve is, if ROC curve is like this, then you should understand that the model is predicting false. Negative class as positive class and positive class as negative class, and AUC is 0. If AUC is 1, we will be having an ideal case. It is reverse L shape. If AUC is between 0.5 and 1, you will be getting slight deviation from reverse L shape. If AUC is 0.5, then the value is the curve of AUC will passes through the origin. This is about AUC ROC curve. Thank you.